Look at this tiny jellyfish. It's almost like magic because it never really dies. This is Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. It's so small, even smaller than your fingernail. When it gets hurt or grows old, it doesn't die. Instead, it turns back into a baby, starting its life all over again. This amazing cycle can happen again and again, over and over, like nature's secret trick. It is the only known animal that can do this. Nature's tiny immortal, Turritopsis dohrnii. Imagine a creature so small, yet so powerful, it can keep living forever by simply starting over. Truly, one of nature's most incredible wonders. Its tiny, glowing body drifts through the ocean like a living jewel, showing us that even the smallest creatures can hold the greatest secrets. This jellyfish is incredibly light, so tiny it weighs almost nothing, just a few milligrams. You could hold hundreds of Turritopsis dohrnii on the tip of your finger and they still wouldn't feel heavy. Despite its tiny weight, it carries an amazing power, the ability to live again and again. It all begins from a tiny egg, barely visible, floating in the ocean. The egg hatches into a tiny larva called a planula, which swims a little before finding a place to settle. Once attached, it grows into a small polyp, starting the life cycle that can one day make it immortal. Turritopsis dohrnii doesn't have eyes like we do. Instead, it has tiny, light-sensitive cells that can feel light and dark. These cells help the jellyfish know where it is and how to move in the water. Turritopsis dohrnii feeds on tiny plankton and small particles in the water. It uses its long, delicate tentacles to catch food floating by. Even though it's very small, it can survive by eating these tiny creatures in the ocean. Scientists call it the immortal jellyfish because it can restart its life again and again. Even though it's tiny, it holds a secret that most animals can't, living over and over without truly aging.